Yeah, what's the scene, Pakistan? Taxes are the price we pay for civilization, we get it. But when the tax wallahs start playing, that's when we gotta call them out. Today, we're diving into a being played by none other than the Federal Board of Revenue, the FBR itself. They're sending notices, frivolous notices, to honest salary earners. Are they serious? Picture this. You've been paying your taxes like your employer dutifully deducts your taxes every month. But then, you get a show cause notice from the FBR demanding more tax. Why? They claim your employer short deducted, but they're coming after the poor employee. They're saying you overclaimed deductions. This is not only, it's totally. It's like your neighbor borrowing sugar from you and then the police coming after for stealing. These notices are not from an officer. These are being sent in bulk, with no real logic, just to meet unrealistic monthly targets. The LTO and RTO wallahs are under pressure. Let me tell you the real. These are being sent to people within notice to reply. That's right, like getting an invitation to a wedding the day before. They're also asking people for copies of payment receipts directly from their impractical request. What will a poor employee do here? What makes this extra is that under our law, this isn't even legal. The FBR is supposed to go after the employer, not the employee who has already done his part. This isn't some game. This is people's hard-earned money we're talking about. The legal experts are saying these are patently unlawful. It's a situation. They're literally going against their own law. Focusing on building a fair tax system. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exposés, and comment your thoughts below. What's your take on these notices? Until next time, stay alert, stay vocal, and stay